English preparations test. There are 20 questions, 10 seconds each. Try them all. Let's begin. She sat the table. On the inc at. The cat is hiding the couch. A behind B in Sion. They will arrive the airport at 5 p.m. A to B at Sion. I found my keys, the drawer. A and B on C over. He is interested learning new languages. A at B for C in. The book is the shelf. A on B in C at. She is looking her lost earring. A to B for C on. They walked the park. A through B to C into. The picture is hanging the wall. A over B on C in. He put the letter, the envelope, A and B on C at. She was born 1990. A on B in C at. They moved a new house last month. A and B to Sion. We usually have lunch noon. A on B in C at. The dog jumped the fence. A over B in C on. She will be here a few minutes. A at B in C on. He will start his new job Monday. A on B in C at. They live a small village. A and B on Seat. She placed the vase, the table, A under B and C on. The train passes the tunnel, A through B over C in. Question: we waited the bus stop A on B at C in. Please comment this answer. Comment your total score. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe.